Location. Fine. What you understand by the location? Location is particularly the local area where the hotel is situated. So maybe the hotel is situated in the city, maybe hotel is situated in the hill station, or maybe outside the city, right? So these are all the things, all the what you can say, the hotels which are come under this category, right? So first category is downtown hotels. So downtown hotels are basically the hotels which are situated in the middle of the city, or you can say in other good language, it's situated in the heart of the city. What it means that it's situated in the heart of the city is basically in the city. When the hotel is situated in the city, all the areas are really nearby from these hotels. So, for example, maybe the cinema halls, shopping malls, or theaters. Okay, so different kinds of things, like all the areas are really approachable when there is a downtown hotel. So that's why it says that it is situated in the heart of the city. The second classification is suburban hotels. Main significance and the main difference, if this kind of question will come to you, that what is downtown hotel or suburban hotel? I will explain you what is suburban hotel. Suburban hotel is basically, as the name indicates, is basically this kind of hotels are situated outside the city. So if we say it is outside the city, definitely it basically used for quieter situated at quieter surroundings. For example, now we'll differentiate these two. Fine. So downtown hotels, if we consider downtown hotels, it may be mainly for business purpose. But if you call about a suburban hotel, maybe it is for educational tours. Yes. Seminars. Very good. Conferences. Why? Because these things really need a quiet place, a quieter place. But if these educational tours or seminars or conferences will kept in downtown hotel, what problem will arise? They will get disturbed. They will get much more disturbed by the surrounding area, because we say that downtown hotel is located in the heart of the city. So you clear with these two hotels?
Yes.
Now another classification of the hotel is very easy, resorts. It's called resorts. Resorts are the hotels which are basically situated, you can say, near the hill station or beaches. Very good. It basically situated near the beaches or hill station. Why it is called resorts? Because maybe in downtown hotels, maybe in suburban hotels, what is there? They are like you see that something official or something related to education. But if you talk about the resort property, it is basically for leisure. The people are used to go for holidays or vacations, right? So resort properties are really good for them. So you understand? The resort property is basically situated at beaches and hill station. The next category is airport hotels. As name indicate, these hotels are basically situated at the airport. So why specifically these airport hotels are made? Maybe this question come in your mind, that why these airport hotels are made, or why the hotels are there in an airport? Because many times, like if you have a flight, if you have some work and you want to go you have to take two flights, right? From maybe from Mumbai to Delhi, you have one flight. Delhi you reach by 9:30 morning, but your another plane is by maybe by evening 6:30, right? So it is not affordable, or not 6:30. You can say 3:30. In 6 hours, the another flight will be there. So it is not suggested for the person to take the downtown hotels, because in downtown hotels they take the whole day charges. But in the airport hotels, guests can stay for 3 or 4 hours or 6 hours, right? So these are specifically made for the such business persons, people for to who have the next flight, or who has very short time of stay. So that's why instead of going to the city, or instead of going to out of city resort, we not even consider for such a for business persons. So these airport hotels are suggested. As name suggests, it's located in the airport, and maybe in the European plan, we see the plans, right? So maybe European plan is given in the airport hotels, only the room charges, not no other any charges, right? Next category is according to this is like very old kind of category of hotels, right? Motel का full form of motel is motor plus hotel. It basically, how this word comes, it is basically motor plus hotels. In such kind of hotels, what is the significance of these hotels are, even it is same like airport hotels, but the difference is these hotels are basically situated on highways. These hotels are basically situated on highways. Why? So why it say only motor plus hotels? Basically. So when you traveling for any reason, and you want to stay for particular night in particular place, you don't want to have dinner, you don't want to have breakfast or anything, but you only want to stay. And even the thing is, you want to travel early in the morning, right? So these are the hotels where you can park your motor or your vehicle and you can stay there. So that is basically called the motels. Motels are situated around the highways, and basically then again which plan will be served here?